right, I've hidden the gold bracelet. Everyone, grab your tools and get ready.
I'm gonna use this net to pull the bracelet out like a fish.
Oh no, the gold fell. Now look, all the Orbeez fell too. That means you failed.
Check this out, I almost got the bracelet.
Haha, your luck is just terrible.
But look, I'm able to pick up so many Orbeez. 1, 2, 3, 4, 301, 302.
So here's a $3,020 prize for you.
The devil says, no one can grab the gold bracelet except me.
Okay, look, the devil was lying to you.
But I collected a lot of Orbeez, 470 of them.
So here's a $4,700 prize for you.
Look, I almost got the bracelet.
But oh no, the bracelet fell.
Yeah, and I could only grab 99 Orbeez.
So here's a $990 prize for you.
I'm gonna use this hat to grab the gold bracelet and get it in my hands.
But your hope didn't work out. The bracelet fell. But who will actually get it? But first, who is your savior? If your savior is Jesus, like and subscribe immediately. Skip thinks his savior is the Satan. Share the video so everyone can see your savior and leave a heart in the comments for him.
Check this out. I lifted the gold with my tiny little net.